24.
27, go ahead.
Midland and 50th. Boy Adam X-ray, 31 David, V8X, 31B, it's a black Chevy Trax.
Airport.
He's blacked out. Northbound on 50th, 88.
Northbound 50th, 88.
Correction, southbound. Clear left, clear right. Going back towards Kelley. Still blacked out. Coming up to Johnson. Clear left, clear right. He wrecked out Kelley and 50th. You okay? Hands up! Hands up! Get your ass on the ground right now! Get your ass on the ground!
Yes, sir.
Right now!
Yes, sir.
Hands behind your back!
Yes, sir.
Stay right there!
Yes, sir.
Stay right there! Don't you move!
Yes, sir.
Hands up!
Yes, sir.
Get your hands
That's
up!
my girlfriend, sir. I'm sorry.
Shut up!
I'm sorry, sir.
Dumbass. Keep your hands up, ma'am. You okay? You're one dumbass. You know that?
I'm sorry, sir. Yes, sir, I am.
You gotta be freaking kidding me. Hit 15. Are you direct, Fort Smith? Get her out. She's pregnant. Dalton, check on them. Check on them. I'm 1015. Notify H2. They wrecked into another car. Shut your mouth! Get up.
I'm sorry.
You gotta be. Look at this.
I'm sorry.
Look at this right
Yes,
here.
sir. I'm sorry.
You did this.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sit down.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. There's a pistol in my right front pocket, sir.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes, sir. There's one in the chamber. Yes, sir.
Hey, you're a fucking
I'm
idiot.
sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
You got a 1016 around?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. That money in my right and my left pocket, sir.
There's about 28 on the...
That's my right money, sir. That's all I have. That's my girlfriend's only money. I'm getting taken on next week on Wednesday, sir.
That's the least of your worries.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Austin Osman, sir.
Get up.
Yes, sir. That's my
You have the
personal...
right to remain silent.
Yes,
Anything you
sir.
say or do will be held against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present during all questions. You can inform an attorney the state will appoint one to you at no cost to you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Knowing your rights, you're willing to answer any questions.
Yes, sir.
Are you a felon?
No, sir.
Why do you have a gun in your pocket? Why is your girlfriend pregnant and you're wrecking into people, driving reckless at 120 miles an hour on city streets? Answer me that.
I'm scared, sir.
These people are lucky to be alive right
Yes, sir.
now.
I'm so sorry.
Get in the car.
Yes, sir. May I please have my
No.
girlfriend have my phone?
No.
Okay. Babe!
Get in.
Have Pops answer his phone!
Good. Are Are y'all okay?
10:15.
Y'all okay? Y'all okay?
You're inside.
You okay? Scared? I got you. Baby, you okay? Yeah. Baby, okay?
Yeah, 345.
He had things. Okay.
And the fleeing vehicle is a pregnant female that is complaining of her belly hurt. She's on the phone with 911. We're going to need 216.
10-4.
Big girl, you're very late.